Let me read to you the text of Ben Jokno, Secretary Jokno, because I asked him particularly, alam ko tatanungin niya. Ito ang sagot niya, it's elementary. The salary level authorized in the 2018 budget covers the third tranche of SSL only. The fourth tranche is provided for in the 2019 President's budget para sa next year. So, since the 2019 budget is yet to be approved and we are operating under a reenacted budget, 2018, necessarily, logically, there is no legal basis for giving the fourth tranche. Kumbaga, common sense. So apart from my problema yata yung kaibigan kong kongresista sabi ng isang editorial, ang problema mo kasi hindi mo tinitingnan ng meaning ng in-law. Mali ang definition mo ng in-law. Mukhang kulang din siya sa common sense kung babasahin ko tong sagot ni Secretary Jokno. Yan ang sabi, yan ang logic ng dating ng sagot. Tama nga naman. If the fourth tranche is not included in the previous budget, paano mo nga naman makakakuha ka? Wala ka mapagkukunan. Third tranche lang yung covered eh. Kaya Secretary Jokno saying, di magdemanda ka. It's a free country.